Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we are making spinach salad. Spinach is rich in iron and antioxidant, promoting healthy blood flow and overall vitality. First off, wash your spinach and drain it. Spinach is a nutrient-dense food containing a variety of vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, C, K, folate, and iron. These nutrients play essential roles in maintaining overall health, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy blood clotting. After washing the spinach, we'll drain them and spin them and set them aside to continue with the process. Spinach is rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies suggest that the high levels of potassium and magnesium in spinach may contribute to heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure. The presence of folate in spinach is also associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Spinach is a good source of vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health as it helps in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Next, we'll be using carrots. So we'll wash the carrot and then clean it from the back. And notice that carrots are an excellent source of essential nutrients, including vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants as well. So after washing the carrots and peeling them, then we'll be grating the carrots or shredding using a shredder or a grater. Beta-carotene, a compound found in carrot, is converted into vitamin A in the body. And vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness. So after grating the carrots, and we'll save that in a bowl. Next, we'll be cutting off the spinach into smaller pieces and put it in the bowl for this recipe. Next, we'll be using tomatoes. Yes. Tomatoes are a good source of several essential nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Tomatoes contain antioxidants such as lycopene, beta-carotene, and quercetin. Lycopene in particular has been associated with numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain cancers and promoting heart health. Tomatoes contain vitamin K, which plays a role in bone health by assisting in proper blood clotting and contributing to bone mineralization. The fiber and chromium contained in tomatoes may contribute to better blood sugar control. Fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars from the digestive tract. So after washing the tomatoes, we will now slice it into thin slices and also cut them off into halves depending on the size that you want. Next, we'll be adding to the bowl of the spinach the tomatoes, and also we're adding the carrots next as well to the bowl. Then we'll be adding beans as our protein. Beans are an excellent plant-based source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. They are particularly beneficial for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets. Beans are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber content supports digestive health, helps prevent constipation and contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Beans contain various vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism, immune function, and overall well-being. So after adding the carrot, adding the beans, the next part will be to make the salad dressing. And for this dressing, we're using avocado as in replacement for mayonnaise. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is associated with heart health. These fats may help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart diseases. Avocados are a good source of several essential nutrients as well, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, B vitamins such as B5, B6, folate, and fiber. They also contain small amounts of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, zinc, and phosphorus. Despite being calorie dense, the monounsaturated fat and fiber in avocados can contribute to satiety and help control appetite. Including avocados in a diet may support weight management. Avocados contain small amounts of important minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which contribute to bone health as well. After washing the cooked avocado and cutting it into half, we'll now peel it and put it in a blender, and we are using the avocado in replacement for mayonnaise. For those who are plant-based, can try this as well. We're adding dates to these salad dressing recipes. I love dates because it has benefits. Dates are high in fiber, which promotes digestive health, helps prevent constipation, and supports a feeling of fullness. While dates are sweet, their natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, are accompanied by fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a steady release of energy. Dates contain vitamins such as B vitamins, including B6 and folate, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and iron. Due to their natural sugar content, mainly glucose, fructose, and sucrose, and the presence of fiber, dates serve as a quick and natural energy source. They are an excellent choice for a pre-workout snack or a pick-me-up during the day. So we'll be adding lemon to this recipe as well. Lemon has a lot of health benefits. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in immune function, collagen synthesis, important for the skin health, and the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods like lemons can contribute to overall immune system support and help protect against oxidative stress. Despite being acidic in nature, lemons have an alkaline effect on the body once metabolized. Balancing the body's pH levels is important for overall health, and an alkaline environment may help support various bodily functions. While lemons themselves are acidic, they contain alkaline minerals that contribute to this beneficial effect. Maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is believed by some to be associated with health benefits, although more research is still needed in this area. We'll squeeze the lemon into our salad dressing. Then we'll be adding oat milk to this salad dressing. And also we'll be adding cinnamon for flavor as well. I love the flavor of cinnamon. Sometimes I add it to juices. And cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential role in improving insulin sensitivity and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Some research suggests that cinnamon may lower blood sugar by decreasing insulin resistance, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Add some cinnamon to our dressing, and also we're adding some oil. You can add especially extra virgin oil to this recipe if you want to, but it's optional. Next is the blending part. We'll blend our salad dressing, and you can see here we have the salad and the dressing to that. You can decide to add as many vegetables as you want, or decide to customize it due to your own taste. Look how delicious it is. Next, we'll mix that. Mixed it up, and it'll be time for us to enjoy. Why not try it and let me know what you think? I love it because let's wait and see how it tastes. Tastes yummy, and it's sweet due to the dates that we added to the dressing.